the member from Ohio is recognized for 10 minutes. From Ohio.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. We spent a lot of time on that title of this amendment, protecting working Americans. We want to, after a couple of the other amendments and the way this budget is proposed, and the vigorous protections of no tax increases at all for the top 1%, for those people making more than $1 million a year, we would like to give our colleagues an opportunity to show that same kind of vigor in defending the middle class. And this amendment is very simple. It's a resolution that would not allow taxes to be raised on any individual with adjusted gross income below $200,000 or any married couple with adjusted gross income below $250,000. There is a concern that as we reduce corporate tax rates from 35% to 25%, and that is revenue neutral, we just want to assure the American working class that they will not have to foot the bill on this.
The clerk, roll call vote has been requested. The clerk will call the roll.
Mr. Garrett? No. Mr. Garrett? No. Mr. Simpson? No. Mr. Simpson? No. Mr. Campbell? No. Mr. Campbell? No. Mr. Calvert? No. Mr. Calvert? No. Mr. Aiken? No. Mr. Aiken? No. Mr. Cole? No. Mr. Cole? No. Mr. Price? No. Mr. Price? No. Mr. McClintock? No. Mr. McClintock? No. Mr. Chaffetz? No. Mr. Chaffetz? No. Mr. Stutzman? No. Mr. Stutzman? No. Mr. Langford? No. Mr. Langford? No. Ms. Black? Ms. Black? No. Mr. Ribble? No. Mr. Ribble? No. Mr. Flores? No. Mr. Flores? No. Mr. Mulvaney? Mr. Mulvaney? No. Mr. Huelskamp? Mr. Huelskamp? No. Mr. Young? No. Mr. Young? No. Mr. Amash? No. Mr. Amash? No. Mr. Okita? Mr. Okita? No. Mr. Ginta? No. Mr. Ginta? No. Mr. Woodall? No. Mr. Woodall? No. Chairman Ryan? No. Chairman Ryan? No. Mr. Chairman, on that vote, the ayes are 15, the noes are 22.
There being 15 ayes and 22 noes, the amendment is not agreed to.